So here's Breeze dating app for real dates. Match, skip, chat, plan date. What is that? Is a dating app without chat function. So something new. A match means an instant date. After you match, you share your availability and we plan the date and arrange the location. So that's it. So if you really want to go out on dates and not spend like, weeks in all these chats on Tinder or something like that, that's kind of the new app. No chatting, just dating. No endless swiping. Every day at 7 p.m. we send you a curated selection of people we think you will like. Unlike other dating apps designed to keep you swiping, Breeze focuses on quality or quantity, helping you get off the app and meet people in real life. No ads, no subscription. It's free to download with no ads, no data sell, and no premium subscriptions. Breeze is designed with your safety in mind. All users screened and verified. Dates are hosted at Breeze partner bars with staff watching out for you. So you're not just, meeting out all the time with some strange people. There are like selected locations where you can go on a date with this app, and they claim that the staff will watch out for you. So I don't know whether it's true, but ghosters face account freezes. Daters pay upfront to show commitment. So there is some kind of price tag which you pay if if you swipe on the person, then kind of you agree to go on the date, and if you don't show up, there is some kind of a price. So you kind of want to take it seriously. So here is the account. Unfortunately, yes, you can see it's not yet live everywhere. You need to create your account. So here you can see all the filters available, lifestyle habits, practicalities, all of things. Then you can see recent profiles. Then you can see support center. Then you can see notifications. Then you can see how it works. You pay for your date. We don't sell your data. You only pay for the date. In the date period, you find the prices of the date. We'll let you know the time and the place for a date. You confirm your date. Have fun on your date. So that's pretty cool. So here you can see some tips. But basically, if you swipe on someone, it means a date. So you need to be really careful when you're swiping. And then when you swipe and pay for a date but don't show up, your account can be frozen. So it's kind of like, I don't know how it goes, but here is your account, which you can see about. There is also like wallet. I don't know. You can get some tokens in here, app settings. So there is, you can invite friends. And then there is invite link. So here is invite link which you can use. So I don't know whether I'm getting some tokens for that. Probably not, but that's the idea. Something like that. It's still in very beta. It's still available only in a few cities here and there, but there you have it.